believe you could have avoided everything, but then you wouldn't have the bond with Emily. Oh my god! Sponsored by a motorcycle, perhaps? Whoa. It's okay, don't worry. Oh, he's so... Oh! Oh, so many screenshots. Oh, frick, am I playing? Oh my god. Oh, shoot. No, wait, no, I thought we were done. Okay, what if Leon is like a really horrible driver because of me? Oh, shoot! He has a hit! Oh, son of a crap! Why is he stalking me?
Seriously.
Okay, now this is just tedious. Come on, Leon Kennedy.
I don't give up that easy.
This is just so funny. What the heck is going on? I don't know if physics. Oh, I don't know if physics works like this. Oh shoot! This is a motorcycle fight. Oh my god!
Come on.
Just use a freaking sniper. Okay. What? No way that killed him. It would be great if it did. No way. He probably fell like beyond that. But you should check him out, Leon. Use a sniper.
Should have worn a helmet.
He's still alive, Leon.